Kampuni ya Multiplex ikakwasibwa omurimo gw'okukora enguuto ezi omu kwezi kwa Katano 2021 kandi ezokukorwa ni Bwankosa Road na Bushekwire Road hamwe n'orwa Rushoroza. Hachan yabanza kuteganisibwa abatura aba bantu besharinga bagomize mu kampuni egi ebyeriyo nekora tibiri mu makuru. Abamwe bareba bine bihandiko eby'abantu byoreka obutashashanuka bwabo. Omukavu yaka Emmanuel Center byamugisha meya wa Kabale Munisiparite hamwe na engineer Moses Bosa director wa Multiplex Construction Company Limited kachebe kwa Tom Maraka. Ahanyuma yebi habaho urukiko rwaho naho aha kanso ya Kabale Munisiparite aho abebembezi bareko butashemererwa bwabo.
The continued interference and I beg Madam Inspector to take it with a good heart because to me that's what I see.
We are not interfering, but we want you people to have a peaceful, amicable resolution.
That's why I'm saying.
If I was interfering, I would have arrested people here long ago.
That's why I'm saying
corruption and
with due respect to Madam.
So you withdraw that statement before you read it. We are not interfering. We are doing our constitutional mandate.
Madam, they continue intervening.
You can just imagine the contract ended. We extended contract 3 times, but they are still on village. Actually, you have found them clearing the bush clearing. Because when you finish bush clearing, it's when you go to drainage and you start work.
Godfrey Nyakahuma RDC wa Kabare nawe yayereka ngo biri kugenda mu misho tebiri kushemeza ahabwo kuba contractor na shori yo nazanira ha abantu ba burijo.
When you see people coming like IGG, like the ministry coming for inspection, like anybody, then you bring back your machines. And as they go back, you also take them back. Don't think these people are blind. Don't think these people are stupid.
Engineer Bosa wa Multiplex yashaba amezi 3 okumaririza omurimo ogu bitu bagamwima nuko kumuhabira gonka.
At the end of August, I will also come back here because my company will be coming to check. I have directed my director projects here to assign someone from the Inspectorate of Government to give us weekly updates on progress, to be on ground to check what exactly is happening on ground.
We shall do everything possible to attain the substantial completion in the 2 months. That's acceptable.
Kampuni ni yemwe eriyo nekora enguuto muri Ntunga mu Municipality na Mbarara City gasha kwa job na manya omuri Kabale.